You will have huge and juicy peppers if you do this. Today, we're making a powerful natural fertilizer that helps peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and other vegetables grow stronger and resist disease. It boosts growth and protects plants from pests, giving you a bigger harvest. Start by adding 100 milliliters of whey to 300 milliliters of water. Whey is full of nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. It strengthens the plant from the inside, supports root growth, improves photosynthesis, and makes nutrients in the soil easier to absorb. Next, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. It's rich in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. These minerals help plants grow healthy and produce bigger, tastier fruits. Ash also balances soil pH and keeps many pests and diseases away. Then, add half a tablespoon of neem powder. It's a natural insecticide, fungicide, and bactericide. Neem protects against aphids, mites, mildew, and blight. It builds the plant's immunity and is safe for helpful insects, making it perfect for organic gardening. Let the mix sit for a few hours, strain it, and add 2 liters of water. Give each plant about 200 milliliters. Use it for watering or spraying every 10 days. Don't forget to share it with friends and subscribe. It's free and means a lot. Thanks for your support.